This is the most expensive and largest house in the United States, currently asking to $195 million. This home is exactly 10,000 square feet and has 21 bedrooms, 49 bathrooms, a nightclub, and breathtaking views. Let's get started already. This house, which over the past 12 years has become legendary for the residents of Los Angeles and throughout the world, has acquired cult status over the past decade. It is more than just a house. It is a personality. Many residents of Los Angeles have followed this house. Firstly, almost 23,000 cubic meters of earth were removed to prepare the foundation. The longest road you've ever seen leads to the house. You are looking at one of the iconic homes of Los Angeles. It is the largest home in the world with 10,000 square meters of living space, including 300 square meters of living space underneath, which is a nightclub, 4-lane bowling alley, spa and gym, and this is no ordinary spa and gym. There are many more, and you will soon see all these details, but it includes everything you can imagine in a house. We decided to do something interesting on the properties that has never been done before. Brandon Williams and Aaron Kerman are about to put this house up for concierge auction, and are hoping that this house will go to someone who will make it theirs exclusively because it is so much more than just a house.